It's bad. It's really, really bad. Or is it? Is all of this actually a good thing? Is crypto going down actually opening doors? Is it actually making way for life-changing money? Well, let's look at the chart and see how much farther crypto can go and how this affects you. So you may or you may not have heard that crypto has actually been going down, Bitcoin specifically. It's been going down and people are freaking out. But I want to talk to you about how much farther is it going down and what can we see from looking at the chart of it going down. So in a previous video, I talked about how this is a descending channel, which is very, very bullish. And in order for this to actually become a very bullish sign, we need to break out, come down, retest this, and turn this top line into a support and then keep going up. Well, then some things happened, specifically tariffs. Tariffs were placed and then it pushed crypto down. We fell all the way from $83,000 to $78,000. But there's one thing that I really want to point out, and that is that we are still using this descending line here as support. You can see that we dropped down to $78,000 and we are headed up. So although people are freaking out, telling you to sell everything, telling you to sell all your bags, don't buy more, only sell, you should actually look at the chart and see whether or not you should be buying or what the market is doing. Now, would it have been nice if it went up right here and just kept going up? Yes, that would have been very nice, but that is not what happened. But what is happening is we are still in a very bullish market. We are still seeing very bullish signs from Bitcoin. Now let's talk about another very important coin, and that is Ethereum. Ethereum has fallen very far, but you can see here that it is actually still in its descending range. You can see here that it's still in a descending range. So it's also not a coin that is dead. It's also not a coin that you should completely forget about, a coin that you should just sell everything. Because all of these coins, although people are freaking out, they are still following the patterns. And the nice thing about patterns is patterns are predictable. Finally, let's look at XRP. XRP was all the rage back then. Now, XRP is actually one that broke the pattern. Right here was support. We were using this line as support, and now that the tariffs have gone into place, XRP has broken the pattern and gone under this line of support here. So where is XRP going? XRP is a great example of a coin that was moving laterally. It was moving from left to right, and it was going very predictably. But now that it's gone down rather than left to right, it is a little bit unpredictable on what is going on. It is a little bit unpredictable on when it will go back up. But what we do know is that you are getting it at a discounted price. So if you had the mindset to sell here and then it starts going down and you bought here and then it goes down a little more and you bought more, you just keep getting it at a discounted price. So what's one thing that we see from Bitcoin and Ethereum? From Bitcoin, we see that it's still following the chart. From Ethereum, we see it's still following the chart. So, what have we seen in this quick video? What we've seen is that Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two biggest coins, and there are many other coins out there, they are all going down as of now. And you hear everybody freaking out about how it's going down and how you should be selling. Well, what you need to do is open the chart for yourself, draw the lines, and look at a pattern. Because although it may look like a dire situation, it's actually not, because patterns are predictable. In Bitcoin, you can see we are in a descending channel. Use this top resistance as support, and lo and behold, we are still doing that. We are still using this top resistance as support. So Bitcoin is not going under, and not much has really changed except for your buying opportunity. For Ethereum, we are still in a descending channel. We have not broken out of this channel any farther down, and yet we haven't turned this resistance into support. So it's actually just a normal day for Ethereum. All that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Adios.